Welcome back. This is the regular YouTube channel. Maybe the final time tonight. We'll see. Um, just letting the Weather Channel weather viewers know that that's the severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Ashtabula and Northwest Crawford counties has been canceled. So that's good news for that. They changed it to the special weather statement just a little bit ago about those strong thunderstorms are going to be in effect for Northwest Crawford County through 5:15 Eastern Time. And they're saying at 4 p.m., 4:11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicate a strong thunderstorm was near um Albion and north 9 miles southeast of Conneaut and moving east winds at 45 miles per hour. Because the winds occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour now instead of the usual 40. Just like what the weather said on there as well. Excuse me, man, I'm going to plug this other phone in. I got one video, it's on there now. It's a train, it's a 10-minute, it's a 25-minute video back on the Train Expert channel today. So, I'll be back in a bit. There we go, we're back. Yeah, we're back. We're just had to plug my phone in. Getting the weather updates everywhere. Just got that special weather. We just got that they just popped up a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Erie counties until 5:15 Eastern. That'd be quarter after 5 Eastern time. They just popped it up just moments ago, along with Crawford counties. Yeah, I just commented that with Roman Ywensky about that train engine he put up about 18 hours ago. I got that little phone right now to repeat the weather for you. See what's going to be coming up since that severe thunderstorms warnings for Western Crawford has been canceled. It said, now there's a change right now. It said, occasional showers with a thunderstorm possible. Might be Rome. I believe that's Rome, and I'm not sure. I'm gonna see what the Facebook's saying in just a minute. So Here's that special weather statement we got. This is for Erie, and this is also for Western Crawford, Northwestern Crawford County, indeed. Actually, it's just, yes, it says Crawford County, but it's actually it says Erie and North. They also adding an Erie too. Let's repeat the locations again for this weather statement. Erie, Edinburgh, Northeast, Girard, Waterford, Albion, Wattsburg, Northwestern Harbor Creek, or Northwest Harbor Creek, Wesleyville, Cranesville, Springboro, Plata, and McCain. And there's some more underneath the prepared thing. It says, if you're outdoors, consider snaking a shelter inside of a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm, may to lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooding roadways. So we got that special weather statement, and we got the severe thunderstorm warnings for Erie counties, but that's it. So 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 there you go. Another weather update from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my regular channel page. We got over 200, almost 200 trained, or 200, I got over 40 or 50, let me see what I got on my playlist of Operation Weather Updates. I got a premiere tonight at 9:30 on the regular page, along with 2 here on the Train Expert channel tonight. 46. I got 46. I'm going to get, this is going to be 47 with that. I'm going to get that special weather statement on there, along with this one here. So anything goes to the weather. Let the regular channel page know, and I'll get on. I'll get the cameras on, and I'll let you know. So, all right, we're gonna get off here again. Again, we excuse me. All right, we're gonna get off. We're on for almost 10 minutes. Again, the severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Ohio County, or East Central Ashtabula County in Ohio, and Northwestern Crawford counties has been canceled, but the weather statements in effect for Erie and Crawford counties will be expired in about a half an hour or something. But as soon as that weather update pops up in the next 30 minutes, we'll get back on. If not, we're going to get off and if not, this is about it for today. Thanks for joining us here on the regular channel on YouTube. Don't forget, I got a premiere tonight at 9:30 on the regular page, and 7 and 7:30 or 7 and 9 on the Train Expert channel. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the regular channel page. We got over total I got on there. We got over just got to 302 videos between the trucks, garbage trucks, weddings, anniversaries, and the Norfolk Southern and CSX trucks are there too. So all galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. Also, please subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube as well. We had new videos every day of the year. We got over nearly 700 train videos on YouTube, like the NSCSX, OC&T, Bessemer, Union Pacific, Canadian National, Western New York, B&P, all trains galore. Jeffrey the Train Expert, check it out. So that's going to be it. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Crawford County and east central Crawford counties has been canceled today because of that special weather statements in effect for Erie and Crawford counties in the next half hour or so. As soon as it pops up, as soon as the weather changes, we'll get back on. So thanks for joining us here on the regular channel on YouTube, and we'll talk to you guys later.